This is your Irontrader, and this is Midday Trading. So we're going to take a look here at crude oil and at natural gas. But first of all, we're going to take a look here at NVDA, which is running up here the last couple of days. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have NVIDIA, my favorite trade. We have the daily and the weekly chart. Now, I know we reviewed this here earlier in the week, but, I like the stocks that are running, man. We got to take another peek ski at this. Okay, so look at here. This is how I was pointing out here, where you had this pole, and then we had this flag, this bull flag going on there. Now, it's not perfect, okay? But it was a really good bull flag, and then now yesterday she broke right on out of that, and then we put in a higher high. So if you look at yesterday's high, we had 121.80, and then this is what we're looking for at 120.79. Obviously, went higher than that. Now today it just went right, just blasted right on up here. Now it didn't leave no gap, but you still got as high as 124.94. Very, very nice. Now, that's what we're going to be looking for. And then what we're doing is look right to the left of the chart here, okay? So this is 124.43. And what do we have here? You have 124.94. Okay, so we have actually a nice higher high. So now we're going to go to the next level here, okay? So then we're going to be looking at right there. You're looking at that 128.33. And then we're going to come up here to the top of this candle, 129.20. And then this is what you're actually looking for, is this 131.26, which is your big retest. Now, yes, you have 129.20 sitting right there. That was going to be your price channel, but I think we can maybe squeeze all the way up to that 131.26. Now, again, if we can rip up higher than that, then what we do is bring this price channel right across. We got 136.15, and then what we have up here, you've got 140.76. This is the big retest and the breakout. If you can close above this, then you got blue sky, okay? So you can rip right on up. Now, when we look at the weekly chart here, well, we do, if you put a trend line down here, okay, like I always say, you just come here and just reel it all the way down. It can go a little bit higher, and you're still in that downtrend here on a weekly. However, when you look at this, you are holding this key 8 simple moving average at 117.50, and then we're holding this 115.94, your 21 SMA here, okay? So that never crossed. Now that 8-day is curling up here very, very nicely, and obviously the price goes higher. Okay, so we look at the MACD here. Looks like it's still bearish, but like the momentum's to the downside. But that can curl up here very, very nicely. MACD got plenty of room to run. Now, MACD, our RSI here on your daily chart, man, that's looking 58 here. That has plenty of room to run. And we have a nice green over your red. That's looking very, very good here. So the next test that we're going to have here is going to be this 129.20. If we can pop above that, then we're going to be looking here for that 131.26. I'm long this stock, and I trade this stock. This is one of my favorite. This AI, I think it just took a break here after the earnings. This was the earnings right here, then it kind of fell off. I mean, $30 billion, you're not satisfied with that? That doesn't make a whole hell of a lot of sense. But it wasn't like, I don't know what they were looking for, blowout numbers. A lot of these things people just had, they're kind of a fill of it, and they just want to get the price down and then rebuy it. But we had this nice bull flag situation, and now we're moving on up here. So as long as we keep making higher highs and higher lows, this is going to go higher. So wait for a reversal candle before you sell if you are long on this. Okay, let's take a look here now at the old crude ski. Okay, here we have crude oil. Now, the EIA report came out here at 10:30, and actually it was very bullish, okay? Crude actually had a draw of 4.47 million, which is very good. The distillates had a draw of 2.22 million. Gasoline had a draw of 1.538 million. And your weekly production is 13.2 million. And Cushing just had a small little build at 0.116 million. So actually the numbers were very, very bullish. I'll have them all posted for you here after the pit close. But I say this is very, very bullish numbers, but you can see how the reaction is. Now, crude just is not acting well because you got bullish numbers on the API and the EIA report. You got the hurricane coming into a Florida area. You got big disruption, big brouhaha going on in the Middle East, and yet crude ain't doing dick. Look at this thing. Now we put in a lower low and a lower high. Okay, not good. So this is what we want to watch here, okay? So right now crude is sitting at 70.61 real time. So you want to watch that 70.65. That's your 21 SMA. And then we want to watch here this 8 simple moving average at 70.76. Now, again, if we can get above that, then we can do is we can look at today's high. You're looking at 71.72, and then we can look at yesterday's high at 72.40 level, okay? If we get above that, yeah, we have resistance here, but realistically, your target there is going to be 74.07, your 50 SMA here. You get above that, you're going to go to that 100-day at 76, and then we have 77.32 is your 200 SMA here. Downside, you want to watch today's low. Okay, you're looking at 69.86, and then we can come over here to the bottom of this candle. You're looking at 69.49, and then we can come here. You're looking at 69.13, and then this is going to be the key level, 68.58. You can see how many times here if you bring that line right across here. Okay, so right now here we just really want to watch that 21-day, and you want to watch that 8-day to see if we can close back above it. Or are we going to have, if we have all this noise going on here and all this disruption and crude oil is doing nothing, this could be going a lot lower here, okay? So RSI, well, you're sitting basically at 46. That can go on the way down and go red up here. That really doesn't showing you much here. The green is still over the red, shows that there's positive momentum. But really what you have here is you got this trading action that's going on here. So something's going to give one way or the other. So we got to see how that's going to shake out. Okay, let's take a look here now at natural gas. Okay, here we have natural gas. Now remember, the EIA report will be out tomorrow at 10:30, and usually it's been a market mover here about the last 3 weeks here. Okay, so just keep your eye on that. You can make a trade, make some quick money very easily. Now today you can see what we have is an inside day, which is your high and your low is the inside of the previous day's high and low. So let's look at the upside here. So you want to look at that 2.643 level. That's going to be key. And then we look to yesterday's high, that 2.6 level, okay? So again, if we can get above that, then all you have to do is just look to the bottom of this candle, 2.699, you're looking at 2.70, and then we just follow the old candles right on up here, okay? So what do you have there? You have 2.73, look at the bottom of the candle, then we have 2.76, we have 2.78 there, we have 2.84, and then this is what you'd be looking for, is this 2.86. Just bring this price channel right across, and that makes life a lot easier. Bring this price channel right across. That makes life easier. So when it runs up, these are your big targets that you're looking for. And obviously your retest up there at 3.159. But right now we have some just sideways action here. But you can see your 8 days very nice. It's over all the simple moving average. Your 21 days over your 50-day, 200-day, that's moving up here. We just have sideways action going on here. And I think maybe a lot of times it doesn't have to come down and aim at the 8 simple moving average. A lot of times it can just go sideways and have the 8 simple moving average move up and do the catch-up kind of a situation, okay? So that's what we're kind of looking for right now. So on the downside, what you want to do is watch yesterday's low, okay? So you're looking at 2.53 level, and then you want to do is watch this 8-day, okay, 2.45. As long as this price is above that 8 simple moving average, this is still a very, very bullish chart. Okay, very, very bullish. Just like we had here, see, it gets above that 8-day, very, very bullish. It gets below that 8-day, very, very bearish. Okay, very, very simple. Okay, so just keep your trading simple. Don't overanalyze this. A lot of people are using 50 indicators and doing this and that. Keep it. I've been doing this for over 2 decades. Trust me, this is just keep your trades and your simple. Just use it. Basically, candlesticks here, simple moving averages. These blue lines are price channels. Very, very easy. Okay, so what we're really trading against is yesterday's candle. That high at 2.67 and the low at 2.53. If you lose that 5.3, then basically that's where you're going, is that 2.45, your 8 simple moving average. If we can get above this key level, this 2.67, we just bring this price channel here right across, and this is their target at 2.76. Above that, you just bring the next price channel across, and then we just come right to the next level. Okay, so we go one level at a time. Now, RSI here, well, we're just hugging that 70 mark here very, very nicely. The green over your red, that's always good momentum there to the upside. So as long as this price is above the 8-day, this is looking very, very good. Now, I am long, okay, from this area here with the UNG. I got 5,000 shares, okay, and then I added to my position there when we had this rally up here. I added another 2,500 shares. So I got 7,500 shares long, and I'm trading 5,000 shares, okay? But right now, I'm just doing the long ski. I mean, I scalped cold yesterday. I got to admit, I did scalp the KOLD here, but I'm still holding my long positions. I got 2 points out of cold. Very, very happy with that. But again, it's a trader's market. That's what natural gas, that's why I like it. Nothing is running like one shot right on up. This always gives you a chance to get in and get out. Okay, that's what I got for you. I'll be back here after the pit close, and we will take a look there at crude oil and natural gas. And I'll have everything posted for you then after the video on the EIA report. All right, thanks for watching.